Gregg Shorthand Writing for Colleges, Volume 1. Brief forms: never, MV, quantity, KT, executive, ESEKV, throughout, underneath, RAUU, object, OBK, character, KAK, govern, GV, correspond, correspondence, KRES. Next, word ending or are represented by R. Failure, FAL for fail, then R for your, failure. Future, FEUUTR, feature, FETR, featured, FETRD. So this is the full blend of R and D. Nature, NATR, natural, NATRL. Word ending wall is represented by L. Actual, AKT for ak, then L for one, actual. Gradual, GRAD, grad, L1. Schedule, SKED, 1. Scheduled, SKED, full blend of L and D, scheduled. Equal, EKL, equally, EKL, Li, or the sound of Li is represented by a tiny circle. Reading practice number 6. Miss Samuels, colon, this morning, our New York office received from the state government an envelope containing an order for 10,000 copies of our executive manual of correspondence written by Dr. James Sweet, period. We thought we had sufficient stock of this publication to satisfy our needs throughout the remaining months of the year, but an order for this quantity will completely exhaust our stock by the end of September. Paragraph. We, of course, recognize the fact that we had a great thing in the executive manual of correspondence, but we had never before received an order for so large a quantity, period. Because of the specialized character of this book, we felt it would have a limited sale, and we set as our objective a sale of 20,000 copies annually, period. I have an idea, though, that we will actually sell more than 50,000 copies this year, period. I am, quite naturally, very happy about this paragraph. May I request, Miss Samuels, that you be responsible for setting up a schedule for printing another 50,000 copies of the Executive Manual of Correspondence, paragraph. Please acknowledge this note as soon as you receive it, period. A.C. Queen. Reading practice number 7. Dear Mr. Ward, I think I have been successful in finding a home that should be exactly what you need, period. The house is on Banks Street, period. I am enclosing several pictures, each of which was taken from a different angle so that you can have a fairly clear idea of what the house actually looks like, paragraph. The house will soon be advertised in every local newspaper, period. Because of its many excellent features, Mr. Ward, it will probably be sold in a short time, period. If you wish to pursue the matter, I encourage you to arrange to see the house immediately and to speak to the owner personally, period. Sincerely yours, Reading practice number 8. Dear Mr. Dempsey, here are a few of the important advantages of the house I talked to you about on the phone yesterday, paragraph number 1. It is 1 block away from an elementary school, period. Your children will be able to walk to school. Paragraph number 2. It is only 1 mile from a new shopping area and a half mile from the town government center. Paragraph number 3. It is 4 blocks from a public park. Paragraph number 4. It is only 6 blocks from the Harper Manufacturing Company where your office will be located. Paragraph number 5. The taxes are actually quite low. Paragraph. The house, Mr. Dempsey, is in a nice section of town, and it will not long remain on the market, period. I suggest, therefore, that you let me arrange an appointment for you to see it in the near future, period. Very truly yours, Reading practice number 9. Dear Mrs. Overmeyer, why do the beautiful trees in your yard need feeding? Nature satisfactorily takes care of trees in a wood area, period. On most grounds, though, all leaves are eventually raked up, period. Those your trees are gradually deprived of a natural quantity of food and moisture throughout the winter, period. You must replenish this food supply annually for your trees are to remain healthy, period. Failure to do so will usually affect the beauty and special character of your trees. Paragraph. Our experts are prepared to apply chemical food to the roots of your trees with the most progressive machinery, period. This food will enable your trees to resist the ordinary ravages of winter and the difficulties that insects create when spring and summer arrive. Paragraph. we suggest that you invite our experienced representatives to give you an objective opinion of the cost of taking care of your trees, period. You will never regret doing so, comma, Mrs. Overmeyer, period, sincerely yours, comma. Reading practice number 10. To the staff, colon, yesterday afternoon, I received the sales figures for June, period. I understand that they are much higher than those of the corresponding month of last year, period. Keep up the good work! Exclamation mark. Frank Long.